Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? How you doing, guys? I hope you're doing great. All right. First and foremost, a huge congratulations to you guys, to us. Thank you so much for all the support and everything else. Right? We've hit 1,000 subscribers. It hasn't been easy, but you guys helped us, supported us, and we are really, really, really thankful, you guys. Thank you so much, and we hope that we continue to provide you with valuable content so that you're able to grow as a trader. All right. So let's jump into our charts today. So today I'm looking at the live trade that we took right here on card Swiss. A really, really amazing trade. Okay, so let me just show you right now. So you saw a nice QML setup right here with some liquidity, equal highs which needed to be taken out, and we saw that after the market took out the liquidity, we saw the market rolling over to the downside. Really, really beautiful trade. If you go to the higher time frame, you realize that the major trend was actually to the downside. Therefore, we go ahead and scale into the lower time frame, and then we're able to find our rather disrupt supply zone right here, and then we wait for the liquidity to be taken out, and once that has happened, then we go ahead and wait for the confirmation, which we did, and then we saw the market beautifully going to the downside. And so for this trade was actually a 1 to 11 point, just 1 to 12 raised to 1 ratio, but so risking about 7 pips, and our target was like 80 pips. And so far, you can see that the market has moved over 6 hour, about 6 hour, and that's a really, really, really beautiful move right there. Okay, and if you're wondering, trade was actually shared with our private community as well. This was a trade right here. This was the before trade, before setup. I mean, we had a nice level right there. We saw the market right here, and the trade was sent. And guess what? People made money. Okay, check here. If you're in our public Telegram community, probably would have seen the screenshots. I shared the screenshots with the guys. You can see that people actually made good money right here, and they're still riding with us. So you guys, when you're trading with M&F Forex traders, you trade in real time with us. Look at the entries. Look at those entries right there. Look at the entries right there. Look, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful moves to the downside. Look at that. So that's what you get, right? When you trade with us, you get real-time signals. Real-time signals. All right. So I was able also to actually take this particular trade. As you can see, by the way, this is my live account. This is my real account with BlueFX, and so far it's moving so beautiful. You can see that the market was right there when we entered right there, and then so the market dropping to the downside beautifully. And yeah, hoping that the market can potentially going to continue to drop. However, you know, guys, anything can happen. Now, that's the reason why I'm targeting these lows here. Even though our group we're actually targeting this because the market is potentially going to drop because it's already in a pre-existing downtrend. So we hope that that move is going to continue. Yeah, and another trade that I'm in right now is AUD USD. Really, really nice trade on which we took on the 4 hour time frame. Let me just show you right now. It was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. We had a nice setup right there. Wow, look at that, right? So again, this was in the direction of the trend. We don't fight the trend, we trend in the direction of the trend. So you can see here, the market was actually in a downtrend. Well, after that, we look for our zone. We saw a nice rather base drop supply zone at that level right there. Wait for the market to come to us. It actually dropped last week, and then we saw the market pulling back. Remember, when the market is pulling back, that's the market giving you the second chance for you to redeem yourself, the second chance for you to re-enter again. And you can see that the market beautifully came to that level and gave us a nice pin bar, bearish pin bar rejection right there. And guess what? We jumped in. Let me show you right now. Let me show you the proof of entry. It was a beautiful trade, and so far it's dropping beautifully. So you can see a nice confirmation entry right there. Beautiful move to the downside, and we are in. You can see right here. Let me just show you in a minute. You the Swiss. So all the trades that I share in the public, in the private community, these are the trades that I'm personally taking. If the group is making money, we are making money. If we are losing the trade, we are all losing money, right? So this is how it is. You can see the entry right there. It was a beautiful, magnificent entry, and so far the market is just dropping to the downside. Like literally, look at that big move. So we entered from right here. This is where we had the rejection from. Then we saw the market rolling over to the downside, right? And then the market tried to pull back. By the way, this is around 4 in the morning. I know it's crazy. It's like 4 in the morning, and I'm doing this for you guys. I hope you find value, and make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. We've hit a very good milestone, and but I know that we're just getting started, and I believe in you guys. I believe that you are going to actually help us reach crazy levels, right? So please help us achieve those levels, right? So this is how it is. The market dropped from here, and then it ended up going back to the entry. I didn't panic because I understood the overall direction of the market, which was a downtrend. And now you can see that the market literally just touched that level, and you see the market plummeting to the downside. All right. So if that continues to drop, by the way, this is a 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio, right? Our risk was about 20 pips, and then our target is around 270 pips, and so far the market is moving beautifully to the downside. All right, so you guys, um this is actually very nice. All right, so these are the trades that we've taken, we took yesterday, and they're all in profit. I know that we don't always have them in profit. Of course, we do take losses as well, like you've seen from our posts here on YouTube and also our Telegram or our Facebook. We don't claim that we win 100% of the time, but when we do win, we really win. Okay, really beautiful trade so far. Okay, so you guys, if you'd like to check us out, the links are down in the description. There's the promo going on for our Monday of Mastery course. The link is down in the description. Please check it out. We still remain with about 4 days before the sale, with a 50% sale comes to an end. So you guys take advantage of it. I've seen some people actually joining our community, which is actually very good. So guys, make sure that you check out the first link in the description. Join us and let's make money together. All right, you guys, take care. Make sure you subscribe and do all that. You guys, until next time, goodbye.